One day, JD and the Paw Patrol team received a very special invitation. It was from NASA, the world-renowned space agency, inviting them to join an exciting mission to explore the solar system. They couldn't wait to board their spacecraft and set off into the unknown depths of space. Their mission was to explore the entire solar system, starting with the Sun and all 8 planets. Their journey began with a trip to the Sun, the closest and hottest star to Earth. They had to take great precautions as the Sun is the most dangerous place in the solar system. Wearing their specially designed heat-resistant suits, they landed on the Sun's surface and studied its massive solar flares and sunspots. They also learned about the Sun's magnetic field and how it affects Earth's climate. Next on their list was Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system. They explored Mercury's heavily cratered surface, and JD was surprised to learn that despite being the closest planet to the Sun, its surface can be incredibly cold due to its lack of atmosphere. They also studied the planet's unusual rotation, where it rotates 3 times for every 2 orbits around the Sun. After Mercury, they landed on Venus, the second planet from the Sun. They were amazed by the planet's thick atmosphere, which is mostly made up of carbon dioxide, and has atmospheric pressure that is 90 times greater than Earth's. JD and the Paw Patrol team learned about the planet's extreme weather conditions, including powerful lightning storms and intense winds. Neither Mercury nor Venus has moon, because the gravitational forces of the Sun was too strong, so it prevent them to have natural satellite. They also discovered that Venus rotates in the opposite direction to other planets in the solar system. The 4th planet, Mars, was their next destination. JD and the Paw Patrol team landed on Mars' red, dusty surface and explored its unique geology. They learned about the possibility of life on the planet and explored its polar ice caps, which are made of frozen carbon dioxide and water. Mars also has the largest volcano on the solar system. Olympus Mons is about 13.6 miles high, which is more than 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. The volcano is so wide that it covers an area about the size of the state of Arizona. Mars have 2 moons that called Phobos and Deimos that are thought to be captured asteroids. As the expedition team journeyed through space towards Jupiter, they passed through the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter that is home to thousands of small rocky objects. They navigated their way through the debris field, careful to avoid any collisions with the fast-moving asteroids. JD and the team marveled at the sheer number of objects in the asteroid belt and took the opportunity to study a few of them up close. They were excited to learn more about these ancient remnants from the early days of our solar system. Finally, they emerged from the asteroid belt and continued on their journey towards Jupiter. Their journey then took them to the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. They studied Jupiter's massive swirling atmosphere, complete with the famous Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot itself is a massive storm that has been raging for at least 350 years, making it one of the longest-lived storms in the solar system. The team were fascinated by the planet's many moons and discovered that Jupiter has the most moons of any planet in the solar system, with whopping a total of 79. After Jupiter, Saturn was their next destination, and they were awestruck by the planet's beautiful rings. They studied the rings and discovered that they are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to size of a freight container. Saturn also the least dense planet in the solar system. If you have a bathtub big enough, Saturn will float on it. JD and the Paw Patrol team also took time to explore Saturn's many moons, including Titan, the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere. The 7th planet from the Sun, Uranus, was also on their list. They were amazed by the planet's unique tilt, where it rotates on its side. This means that its poles are located where other planets have their equators, and it experiences extreme seasons that last for decades. JD and the team studied Uranus's icy composition, which includes a mantle of water, methane, and ammonia ice. They also explored Uranus's many moons, including Miranda, which has a unique surface that appears to be fractured and rearranged. Finally, they reached the last planet in our solar system, Neptune. JD and the Paw Patrol team were stunned by the planet's beautiful blue color, which is caused by methane gas in its atmosphere. They studied Neptune's massive storms, including the Great Dark Spot, which is similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. The storm system itself are so enormous, it were larger than the size of the Earth. They also explored Neptune's many moons, including Triton, which is one of the coldest objects in the solar system, with a surface temperature of -235 degrees Celsius. As JD and the Paw Patrol team returned to Earth, they marveled at the incredible sights they had seen on their space adventure. They had learned about the unique characteristics of each planet and marveled at the diversity of our solar system. Their journey was full of new discoveries, and they couldn't wait to share their findings with the rest of the world.